Hey everyone, Dean here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with a look at the top TV streaming devices of 2024. These aren't your grandma's TVs. We're talking about devices that redefine home entertainment and bring the future of content right to your living room. From familiar names like Roku and Chromecast to the ever-expanding Amazon Fire TV and even Apple TV, there's a whole ecosystem of devices designed to make your viewing experience smoother, more intuitive, and frankly, a lot more fun. We're talking user-friendly interfaces, affordability that won't break the bank, and picture and sound quality that'll make you think you've got a home theater. Whether you're ready to ditch the cable bill entirely or just want to add some extra oomph to your current setup, these streaming sticks are the key. We'll break down what makes each one unique, what they excel at, and who they're perfect for, so you can find the perfect device to turn your TV into a smart hub for all your entertainment needs. So, sit back, grab your favorite streaming snack, and let's get started. First up, let's talk Roku. Roku has been a major player in the streaming game for years. They offer a range of devices, from budget-friendly sticks to feature-packed boxes. What sets Roku apart is its simplicity. The user interface is incredibly easy to navigate. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to stream. Roku's app library is massive. With all the big names, it's like having a buffet of entertainment at your fingertips. Plus, Roku has its own free content with the Roku channel. No matter which Roku device you choose, you're getting great value. They're reliable, easy to use, and offer a ton of content. Next, we have Chromecast with Google TV. Now, Chromecast has always been known for its simplicity and affordability, and this latest iteration takes it to the next level. Unlike previous versions, Chromecast with Google TV comes with a dedicated remote and a user interface. So you don't have to rely on your smartphone or tablet to control everything. But don't worry, you can still easily cast content from your devices to your TV. Just like the name suggests, Chromecast with Google TV integrates seamlessly with other Google products and services. If you're already using an Android phone or have a Google Home speaker, Chromecast will feel right at home in your tech ecosystem. One of the coolest things about Chromecast with Google TV is its voice search feature. Just press the Google Assistant button on the remote and you can search for content, control playback, and even control your smart home devices, all with your voice. It's super convenient, especially if you're like me and can never remember where you put the remote. In terms of content, Chromecast with Google TV supports all the major streaming services. Just like Roku, you've got Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and a whole lot more. Plus, you get access to all the apps and games available on the Google Play Store, so the possibilities are pretty much endless. Overall, Chromecast with Google TV is a fantastic option if you're looking for a versatile and affordable streaming device that integrates seamlessly with your Google ecosystem. It's easy to use, offers a ton of content, and the voice search feature is incredibly convenient. Now, let's move on to Amazon Fire TV, a powerhouse in the streaming world. If you're deep into the Amazon ecosystem, using Alexa for everything from shopping lists to controlling your smart home, then the Fire TV is going to feel like a natural extension of your digital life. It's tightly integrated with all things Amazon, bringing a seamless experience right to your TV screen. One of the biggest draws of the Fire TV is its voice control capabilities, powered by Alexa. You can use your voice to search for content, control playback, adjust the volume, and even get information like the weather or sports scores. And when it comes to content, Amazon Fire TV doesn't disappoint. You have access to all the major streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and HBO Max, plus a ton of content through Amazon Prime Video included with your Amazon Prime membership. Amazon offers a range of Fire TV devices, each with its own strengths. The Fire TV Stick 4K offers 4K HDR streaming, Dolby Atmos audio, and Alexa voice control at an affordable price. If you're looking for more power and features, the Fire TV Cube is a great option. It's essentially a Fire TV Stick and an Echo Dot rolled into one, so you can control your entire entertainment system and your smart home devices with your voice. Next up, we have Apple TV 4K, Apple's answer to the streaming device market. Now, if you're an Apple aficionado, deeply rooted in the Apple ecosystem with an iPhone, iPad, and maybe even a MacBook, then Apple TV is going to feel like a natural extension of your digital life. It's designed to work seamlessly with all your Apple devices, offering a level of integration that's hard to beat. One of the standout features of Apple TV 4K is its sleek and minimalist design. It's a small, unobtrusive box that blends in perfectly with any entertainment setup. And the Apple TV remote, while a bit divisive in its design, is known for its intuitive touch controls and voice search functionality using Siri. Apple TV 4K also shines when it comes to picture and sound quality. It supports 4K HDR streaming with Dolby Vision and HDR10+, as well as Dolby Atmos audio, delivering a truly immersive cinematic experience. If you're a stickler for high fidelity visuals and audio, Apple TV 4K won't disappoint. Of course, you get access to all the major streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and HBO Max, but Apple TV also heavily promotes its own streaming service, Apple TV Plus, with a growing library of original content, including award-winning shows like Ted Lasso and The Morning Show. Apple TV Plus is becoming a compelling reason to choose Apple TV. However, Apple TV 4K comes at a premium price compared to other streaming devices on the market. If you're not heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem or on a tight budget, there are more affordable options available that offer similar features. Finally, let's talk about the NVIDIA Shield TV, a device that's in a league of its own. This is not your average streaming stick. The Shield TV is a beast of a machine, packing some serious processing power that makes it perfect for both streaming and gaming. If you're a serious gamer or someone who demands the absolute best in terms of performance, the Shield TV is worth considering. It supports 4K HDR streaming with Dolby Vision and HDR10+, just like the Apple TV 4K. But it also boasts AI upscaling, which uses artificial intelligence to enhance lower resolution content, making it look incredibly sharp and detailed on a 4K TV. And let's not forget about gaming. The Shield TV is powered by NVIDIA's Tegra X1 Plus processor, which is a beast when it comes to gaming performance. You can stream games from your PC to your TV with NVIDIA GeForce Now, or you can download games directly to the device from the Google Play Store. It's like having a portable gaming console built right into your streaming device. The Shield TV also comes with a remote that features motion-activated backlit buttons, a built-in microphone for voice control, and even a lost remote finder. Plus it supports Dolby Atmos audio just like the other high-end devices on this list. However, all this power comes at a price. The NVIDIA Shield TV is the most expensive streaming device on this list. If you're not a serious gamer or don't need the absolute best in terms of performance, you can definitely find a more affordable option that will meet your needs. So, there you have it. Our rundown of the best TV streaming devices of 2024. From budget-friendly options to premium powerhouses, there's a streaming device out there for everyone. The best choice for you will depend on your budget, your needs, and your preferences. But no matter which device you choose, one thing's for sure. The future of entertainment is streaming, with more and more people cutting the cord and embracing the world of on-demand content. Streaming devices are only going to become more popular. So if you haven't already made the switch, now is the perfect time to join the streaming revolution. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which streaming device you're thinking about getting, or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy streaming.